What is this, you say? This is my Walker Turner drill press, which I inherited from my father, who had it buried under a bunch of junk. I don't even know if he remembered that he had it. I revived it, and I've been using it in my shop ever since. I think its vintage is about 1936. Still doing everything today it was designed to do then. No complaints. A wonderful piece of machinery. Has this really cool oil cap here at the top, like all these old machines do. You take that off though, you see that spin, and that's a spline shaft right there. So you could drive other pieces of machinery off this too, if you knew what it was designed for. They used to do all kinds of things with these machines. There's an extra set of pulleys that can go in here to change the speed of it. Mostly they were used for machine work, but I use it exclusively for woodworking. And the way I use it, I'll be passing it along to my son. So it shows no signs of wearing out. It's so nicely made.